Two triangles are considered similar if you have two angles that are alike, or you have one angle that is the same and the two adjacent sides are similar, which means that they have a common ratio. So if we take a look at these two triangles, usually triangles are labeled with capital letters. So we will label this first triangle CAT, and we'll label this second triangle DOG. When we look at these two triangles, we can see that there are two angles that are the same, because this one says it's 45 degrees and this one here says it's 45 degrees, as long as we've written the question properly. And so we have two angles that are equal. Angle T equals angle G. Now we have to look at the surrounding sides. You want to look at sides that match up. So if we take a look on these two triangles, the longest sides are here at 10 centimeters and here at 5 centimeters. So side length C to D and from D to G are matching sides. When we say that they are in a common ratio, we actually have to look at the ratio of these sides. So side CT is equal to 10 and side DG is equal to 5. So that common ratio from these would be 5/10, which when we reduce equals 1/2. So this side, C to T and D to G, is in a ratio of 1/2, which means the second length is 1/2 the size of the first. Okay? To make sure that these two triangles are similar, it says both adjacent sides of the matching angle are in that similar ratio. So the other side is A to T and O to G. So we've got to look at that ratio between A to T and O and G. So length AT is 8 centimeters and length OG is 4 centimeters. So if we do it in a common ratio, and up here I put the second triangle over the first triangle, so I'm going to have to do the same thing down here. Second triangle over the first triangle, 4/8, reduces to a special ratio of 1/2. So we have a common ratio of sides surrounding an equal angle. That means these two triangles are similar. When we write that they're similar, we have to go around the triangle with matching things. So I could start up top here and go down and over. So I could say triangle CAT, okay, is similar, that's squiggly, to DOG. I'm going to start at the top and go down and over. So triangle DOG. So this is one way we can say triangles are similar if they have equal angles and the sides adjacent to them are of an equal ratio.